We're at the iFootage booth. We're here with Sam from iFootage. They make tripods. They make awesome monopods, which you'll see me review. You already saw I did a tripod review, which is awesome. They have a brand new product coming out, which is awesome. It's not even released yet. I'm going to hand the mic to Sam. I'm going to have him tell you about this. This is really cool. Sam.
Awesome, thank you. So this is our iFootage Shark Slider Nano. It's a bi-directional slider, much like the Edelchrome one, where it will double in length on both sides when you sit it on a tripod. However, with ours, we've also featured brushless motors, so this whole slider makes no sound at all. I can even give you...
There's nothing.
Nothing. You literally cannot hear anything coming from the slider itself. But we also added a very unique feature, which is our motor within the actual plate itself that moves where the camera is. Now this allows you to pan along with move on the horizontal axis, which therefore just gives you that parallax effect and allows you to get a much simple interview setup, especially for your B-cam straight out of the box. Now this allows you to also set so you have that nice little sweeping motion back and forth, following your subject, following your talent as per se. A great feature with this as well is when you set it up, so when you're setting your A and B points, so your start and your finish, you can simply actually move the whole slider frame up yourself. So I could move this from there to there, set my A point by clicking a button back here, then move it to my B point over here, set the B button, and then I just set the time, so how long I want the motion to take, whether or not I want it to loop, and I just set it to go, and I'll just loop continuously, and it will start the camera making it record as well. It'll just go continuously like that. The slider itself also features a 2.7-inch IPS touchscreen display, which allows you to control all the settings directly from the slider itself. Currently, it is a prototype, so we can only see the main menu, which gives you the time-lapse video and stop-motion option. With the slider, you can also power it from 2 lithium-ion batteries, and with that, you can also connect it to USB-C and power it from an external power bank, or even from your normal plug socket in your wall.
So you're going to get about 2 or 3 hours, 3 hours off of this, right? You can also just plug it in, and you're good to go. Forever, or use a power bank, and you're also good to go forever. Exactly. So if I measure from here to here, it's 400? 400, yeah. But you're actually getting more than 400. So you're
getting about 800 millimeters.
This is beautiful. Comes out in August?
End of August, early September.
Okay, I'll see if I can get my hands on this. In the meantime, watch out. I'll send you to their website. I'll put links in the below. And also tell us about the $45,000 contest.
Yes, so we're also doing our iFootage Creative Video Competition, which you've got $45,000 up for grabs, and the first prize you can win a Red Raven 4.5K professional cinema camcorder, and that would be an incredible prize to win for any filmmaker. Yeah. So it's brilliant. So if you go to competition.ifootagegear.com, you can enter following the instructions there.
Awesome, and I'll put also put links in the video below, and probably some little cards floating in front of Sam's head or something like that. Sam, thanks so much. No problem. iFootage, NIB, these guys are awesome. Check out their products. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Thank you. I probably got it. I'm just not sure.
Yeah, just do it again, and you've got something else to make it as well. If I slurred at any point, just